Welcome to the fascinating field of astrobiology, where science meets the quest for life beyond Earth. Astrobiology explores the origins, evolution, and potential for life in the universe, encompassing everything from microbial life on other planets to the search for intelligent beings. Join us as we dive into the incredible science that seeks to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? Our journey begins on early Earth, a chaotic world filled with volcanic activity, lightning storms, and primordial oceans. Around 4 billion years ago, conditions were ripe for life to take root. The atmosphere was likely rich in methane, ammonia, and other gases, setting the stage for the formation of simple organic molecules. Scientists believe that life first emerged in these primordial oceans in the form of single-celled organisms, the ancestors of all life on Earth. But how did this remarkable transformation occur? The building blocks of life, amino acids, nucleotides, and sugars, may have formed through chemical reactions in the atmosphere or at deep-sea hydrothermal vents. The famous Miller-Urey experiment demonstrated that, under conditions thought to be similar to those on early Earth, amino acids could form from simple chemicals. This groundbreaking experiment suggests that the ingredients for life could be common throughout the universe. To understand where else life might exist, scientists study extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions. These remarkable life forms can be found in environments such as boiling hot springs, acidic lakes, and the frozen tundra. For instance, tardigrades, also known as water bears, can survive extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. By examining how these organisms survive in such harsh settings, researchers gain insights into the resilience of life and its potential existence elsewhere. Mars and Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, are prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. Mars has long been of interest due to evidence of ancient water and seasonal methane emissions, which could indicate microbial activity. The discovery of ancient riverbeds, polar ice caps, and clay minerals, indicators of past water, raises the tantalizing possibility that life may have once thrived on the red planet. Recent missions like NASA's Perseverance rover and the Mars helicopter Ingenuity are designed to explore these ancient environments. Perseverance is equipped with sophisticated tools to search for signs of ancient microbial life and collect samples for future return to Earth. The potential for discovering preserved microbial fossils could reshape our understanding of life's history on Mars. Europa presents a different kind of allure. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast ocean that may contain more than twice the amount of water found on Earth. Scientists believe this subsurface ocean could harbor the conditions necessary for life. Future missions, such as the Europa Clipper, are planned to study the Moon's surface and analyze the ice for signs of life. Could microbial organisms exist in this hidden ocean, sheltered from the harsh radiation of space? The discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions could allow liquid water, adds another exciting layer to our exploration. The Kepler Space Telescope has identified thousands of these distant worlds, and with the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, we'll be able to study their atmospheres for signs of life. Imagine planets orbiting distant stars, where conditions could be just right for life to flourish. Some exoplanets have atmospheres that contain gases like oxygen and methane, which, on Earth, are produced by living organisms. These biosignatures provide tantalizing clues about the possibility of life elsewhere. Astrobiologists are also developing innovative techniques to analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. By studying the light that passes through a planet's atmosphere as it transits in front of its star, researchers can identify chemical signatures that indicate the presence of life. Detecting gases like oxygen, methane, and ozone could signal biological activity and offer exciting leads in the search for extraterrestrial life. As we prepare for future missions to Mars and beyond, astrobiologists are developing experiments to detect signs of life. On Mars, rovers like Perseverance are collecting soil samples, looking for microbial fossils and organic molecules. The goal is to return these samples to Earth for further analysis, a groundbreaking step in our quest to find extraterrestrial life. Imagine the excitement of discovering evidence that life once existed on another planet. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of biology and the conditions under which life can arise. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding another species, it's about understanding our place in the universe. What does it mean to be alive in a cosmos so vast and mysterious? The prospect of finding life beyond Earth could change everything we know about biology, evolution, and our own existence. As humanity continues to explore the cosmos, the idea of living on other planets becomes increasingly plausible. The knowledge gained through astrobiology could help us develop sustainable habitats on Mars or other celestial bodies. Imagine a future where we expand our civilization beyond Earth, carrying the legacy of life into the stars. So, keep looking to the stars. The universe is filled with possibilities, and who knows what wonders await us. The journey of discovery is just beginning. Each step forward in astrobiology not only expands our understanding of life, but also ignites our imagination about what else might be out there, waiting to be discovered. Together, let's explore the vast unknown.